complete roadmap to master machine learning from zero to pro. Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you the full roadmap to master machine learning. It will be completely free. I will show you the free resources, but you will master machine learning. So this is how the journey starts. So first we have a lot of 6 steps, and we have to divide these into step 1, step 2, step 3, and others as well. So let's get into the video and start the video. First we have step 1. And step 1, we have to pick a programming language and get started with it. So and programming languages, we have a Python and R. And Python, we can do a lot of works, and R we can study R as well. But it's in Python we can do a lot of works than the R. I choose, and a lot of programmers choose Python for machine learning and others. Like in Python, we can do a lot of works like web development, app development, web scraping, automation, data science. So all of these works well done in the Python. So first, I recommend Python, and you can choose R as well, but I recommend personally Python is the greatest. And for course of Python, we have a lot of courses of Python, like so in the free resources on YouTube you have a lot of courses like these. If you are a complete beginner, I recommend one course that is from the Code with Harry. He is a very great instructor, and this course from Clever Programmer is a very well course as well. You can see here it have notes as well, and this is a best beginner teacher for the beginners. If you start Python from the beginning level, you can choose this, the Code with Harry. So it's very well done course. And in Python we have Django and Flask, so and others as well. And another course is Python for Everybody, full university Python course. This is from Dr. Chuck, Dr. Charles that we call him. So this course is very well as well. And for the premium courses, we have 100 days of code. You can see here. Here is the course of Angela Yu, 100 days of code, the complete Python Pro Bootcamp. And it's complete project-based course. You can see here, master Python by building 100 projects in 100 days. You can learn data science, automation, build website, games and apps, and machine learning, and all of this in this one course by Dr. Angela Yu. And here you can see here 4.7 rating as well. And you can download this course for completely free as well. And this course is best for beginners as well. 2022 complete Python bootcamp from zero to hero in Python. Here you can see here 4.6 rating. And for Python courses, you can choose one and complete one. Don't choose all and start it all. So you have to choose one and start the only one course. So you have to start from the one course. You can download these courses for completely free, and if you want to download it, the way to download, you can ask it in the comments as well. If you go with a Python, you must learn sklearn or scikit-learn for machine learning. Scikit-learn is a modern machine learning library written in Python, so you can start scikit-learn as well. And here I recommend Code with Harry course as well. This course name is End-to-End Machine Learning Video Project, and this is on the Code with Harry YouTube channel as well. If you have wish to master machine learning, you have to learn linear algebra as well. You should learn linear algebra if you wish to master machine learning and become a pro. If you want to master linear algebra, I have a PDF, and you can go to my lessons YouTube channel, search for my lessons, and you can download linear algebra. This is full course by a university. like Google's and Michigan, all of these courses you can download it for free from the My Lessons YouTube channel. You can get into it. And after that, you have to learn statistics as well. And if you want to learn statistics, you can search it on YouTube. If you don't find any resource for that, you can ask in the comments. I will come with a professional course, like linking to that course, how you can get that course for free as well. So that was step 3, to learn statistics. And step 4 is to learn core machine learning algorithms. So what is core machine learning algorithms? Core machine learning algorithms is how machine learning works. You will have the concepts of how machine learning algorithm work from within. Look into gradient descent, slope, supervised versus unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, basic linear regression, and working of all such similar modules, and clustering. All of these you will learn in this module in core machine learning algorithms. So, and the another resource of studying core machine algorithms is one book. You can get it for free, and that's book name. So here you can see here, this is hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn, keras, and tensorflow. This is a very great book. If you want digitally to study that digitally, you can get over to libgen.is and search for it. And another how you can study a book, you have to get into in exercises of that, and you can solve that exercises, and what is the solution for this exercises. This is the most important part of the books, that is most important for you. And you have to have a schedule for your time as well. And another part of machine learning is a step 5. This is Python libraries. You have to learn Python library. In Python libraries, you have to learn numpy, and then you have to learn pandas. These are the most important Python libraries for the machine learning projects. And on other hand, in step 6, we have to learn a deployment. In deployment, there will be a day that we have to deploy our projects, and for the deployment of the projects you have to learn a little bit of a frameworks, that is Bootstrap and Flask or Django. You have to learn first Bootstrap, and then you have to learn Flask or Django. And this in Bootstrap and Django or Flask has been written by that course of 100 days of code that I have shown you previously. If you didn't see the video, you can take over to that part as well. So this is how the machine roadmap is, and all of the free resources links will be in the description below as well. And one thing you have to learn optionally as well, and that's important as well, is Docker and Kubernetes as well. And the another free resource of machine learning, mastering machine learning, is made with ml.com. Get over to that website, and you can master machine learning as well. So all of this for that video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.